Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are making cinnamon rolls, which is also known as cinnamon buns. So let's get into this video. For that, here in a bowl I am adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, which is also known as maida. This comes up to 380 grams. We'll make space in the center just like this, and to this I am adding half cup of lukewarm milk, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Now we'll mix this well. Once it's nicely mixed, to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of instant dry active yeast. Now we'll mix this well and let this rest for 10 minutes. So use good quality yeast which will activate better. Now after 10 minutes, as you can see here, the yeast is activated well. Now to this I am adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'll combine this well, and gradually very little we'll add lukewarm water, and we'll knead this into a nice soft sticky dough. Now our dough has been perfectly kneaded. Now I am going to place this to this bowl, and we'll cover and keep this. Let this rest in warm place for 1 hour. Now we'll prepare the filling. For that, here in a bowl I am adding 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 4 tablespoons of soft butter. You need to mix this well, and our filling is ready. I'll keep this aside. Now here I have taken a baking tray. I am placing a baking paper, and we'll keep this aside. Now here I have placed a board. On top of that I am sprinkling some all-purpose flour, which is also known as maida. This is after 1 hour. I have placed the dough, and I am dividing this dough into 2 equal parts. Now we'll keep the one dough ball aside. Now we'll start rolling this dough ball using a rolling pin. So you need to roll it evenly just like this as shown here. Once you roll it evenly, we'll start applying the filling. So in the filling I have used white sugar. Traditionally brown sugar is used, but if you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar. This is also a good option. If you have brown sugar, you can use that as well. Whatever is readily available, use that. Now I have flattened this nicely. I am adding half of the filling, and half I am keeping this aside for our other sheet. Now using my hands, I am spreading this filling all over the sheet evenly. So no need to use spoon or anything. With hands you can evenly and nicely spread it all over the sheet. Once we have spreaded this evenly, now we'll start rolling this from the side. Just like this, very carefully. Once this carefully rolled, don't apply any pressure, just gently roll it. Now we'll place this in the center, and now using a knife I am going to make slight cut marks on top of this roll. So out of this recipe I'll get 18 cinnamon rolls. Now using a thread I am going to cut this into equal size cinnamon rolls. So just what you need to do is place the thread underneath the roll. See, just like this, and just make a cross and pull. So it will cut nicely, and if you will use thread, then the shape will also not spoil of the cinnamon roll. So similarly you need to make all the other cinnamon rolls, and repeat the same with other dough as well. So definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And this recipe is made mostly during Christmas or during winters, but you can enjoy it all time year. It's very delicious. So similarly, I am preparing the other sheet of cinnamon roll. And the same way I am making cut marks and then cutting using a thread. So you can bake this on a cake tin as well. So you need to bake it in 2 to 3 cake tins. I am using a baking tray. Now here I have taken a clean cloth. I am dipping it in lukewarm water. I'll squeeze the lukewarm water and then I am going to place this damp cloth on top of this cinnamon roll, and we'll allow this to rest in warm place for 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes. Now these cinnamon rolls are ready to bake. I am preheating the oven on side 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and after that we will bake these rolls. Our oven has been perfectly preheated. Now I am baking this for 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So you need to bake it until the top part of the cinnamon rolls turn golden brown in color. So the timing may differ, so you need to check accordingly, according to your oven and temperature. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon and share this video with all your friends and family. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. And a cinnamon roll has been perfectly baked. Now I am placing this on this table and we'll allow these rolls to rest for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Now here I am dusting it with simple powdered sugar. On a sieve I have taken 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. I am sprinkling it all over the cinnamon rolls. So instead of powdered sugar, you can apply cream cheese, maple syrup, honey, or even chocolate spread on top of this. So you can use that as well, or you can use this simple method. And all our delicious cinnamon roll is ready. Serve this warm and enjoy these delicious rolls. See how beautiful this cinnamon roll is looking. When you will bake these cinnamon rolls, the whole room will have a wonderful aroma of cinnamon. Definitely try this recipe. Thank you for watching.